my first unboxing video. I'm so excited to share everything. So everything was from like basically my travel from Thailand, Japan, Korea, and also China. And I'm so excited to share everything. Let's get started. Woo. Okay, where should we start? So, okay, the first one. So this is the box from Flower Nose, and I went to their office in August. I visited the office in Hangzhou, like their HQ. This is their August collection called Miss Summer's Fairy Tale. It's super cute. Let's open it up. I love their boxes so much. Thank you, Flower Nose. Let's see what they have. Oh my gosh. They have a lot of cute makeup. Let's see. What's this? Some little heart, like accessories, I guess. And let's see, what's this one? Oh my god. Wait, this is crazy though. Look at it. What? Look at this blush. Look at these details. This is so cute. Oh my god. What else? What? I guess it is the lipstick. Look at it. It reminds me like my childhood. Another color. What? What is this? I guess it's a highlighter. Oh wow. Like little angel here. It's very pretty. Thank you, Flower Nose. Let's see. Do you look like a fairy tale? Another blush. So I went to Olive Young. Like every time I visit Korea, this is what I got all the time from Olive Young. Okay, on you. I think it's super good for travel. Like when you travel for like a long time, I think it's perfect. And another one I got from Olive Young is their Mayo. I like their cleansing oil a lot from Mayo. Blue Elephant. I think it's very similar to Gentle Monster actually. The packaging is super good. It's the sunglasses I got. This is a very different style than what I used to wear. Okay, next one. So this is the IMAX I got, like steam IMAX. This is the IMAX I love a lot, and I always got them. I think it's great for like, you know, when you want to take a nap. And it's actually steamed. I think like whenever I look at my laptop for like over 10 hours, I think this is like must have. So they have different designs. This is what I got. I got like 2 packs. They have so many in one box. I think I can use them for like a few months for sure. This little bag from Taobao, and then I used to shop a lot on Taobao when I was in China. And then it's like super cute, and then it's like, guess how much is it, guys? It's only, I think it's like $4. I think the size is perfect actually. Oops. I like the design a lot. And this is another bag for eyewear. And then put like another pair of sunglasses here. Another pair. Another one is the hair oil from Olive Young, and I used it a lot. And I strongly recommend everyone use hair oil after shower. This is perfect. Like it is great just for like putting a little bit on your hair. It will like make it like super moisture. Eyelashes I got. It's from Avrabab. So there's a few different kinds. I personally like this the best because I think like my eyes are a little bit more like rounded. So I have the best for my eye shape. And it's around $4 or $5 per pair and can use for like around 2 weeks, I think. Another one for Olive Young is Neme, and actually it's one of my mom's favorite brands. And this is one from Grow Us, and it's actually one of the brands under Pernell, and I feel like it's super, super good. And I haven't really tried it yet, but I definitely wanted to try in the future. I think they're really positioning the products for damage therapy hair. Look at this. Oh my god. It's so pink and it looks so glowy. First time I heard about this brand. I think this is supposed to be very, very good. I look at that design a lot, like super clean, because like they're really marketing themselves as a clean makeup and beauty brand. Oops. Look at that logo. It's so good. Another one, also from Pernell. Look at this design, really matched my outfit today. Let's open it up. This is so cute. Oh my god. One of my favorites today. I think it's so easy to pack, in your makeup bag. Thank you. Oh my god. White and baby blue, my favorite colors all time. Oh, I got some activewear, I think, recently. Some red color activewear, because I always want to try something new for holiday season. Look at this cherry red. I think it's perfect for holidays. Some black shorts, and also has the V line here. This is the sweater that matched with the sweatpants. I think it would be super cozy to wear at home as well. This one and this one. I'm the big fan of a hoodie or sweater. I feel like I just love something super cozy. So I got this Hello Kitty limited editions online a few days ago because I really want to start doing more bakeries, and I just got this Hello Kitty version. And then for bakery, I'm so excited for bakeries for holiday season. Oh, Hello Kitty and me. It's also Hello Kitty. Oh my god, Hello Kitty. And this is some sponge for dishes. Hello Kitty versions. So I got a baby pink color for myself. They have so many different colors, and you can definitely check online. So let's open it up. What? I think it's smaller than I thought. Hopefully it's easy to pack. Look at it. I think this is my hand. I feel like it's smaller than my hand, but I feel it's perfect for traveling actually. Look at this design. Isn't that very interesting? Love it. And they also have some travel size. I think it's perfect for traveling. I'll start traveling 2 days. This is perfect. It's really on time. I'm not sure you guys heard about Uniskin. I think it started becoming very popular brands in China. Got the eye cream. Ooh. It's so cute. Looks like an egg. This is the eye cream. Oh my god, this is really interesting packaging. And this is another eye cream I got. It's from Lineage. I'm not sure heard about it. It's also a Chinese brand. I really want to start trying more Chinese skincare brands these days than Korean brands. Look at this packaging. It looks super premium to me. Look at it. Great match. You can just massage your eyes a little bit to relax. It's another Chinese brand called HBN. I never heard about it, but one day my friend really recommended me this one. Just want to give it a try. It's more like essence lotion. It's so big. The size is really big, and then it's actually buy one get one free. So I have another one around $40. You buy one get one free. I think it's such a great deal. I'll definitely try this first and let you guys how it feels. I got so many face masks because I think my skin is super dry and super sensitive when it's changing season. And this is the one I got from Japan, from the airport. I love to try it out and see how it feels on my skin. And these ones are like the one I got from like Young. I think it's a very popular Korean brand actually these days, like Toridon. I love their moisture and also their face mask, actually my top pick. And this is another face mask I got from a Chinese brand called Balria. And it's also for sensitive skin because I feel like I have a very dry and sensitive skin these days. And this is the one I love so much. And I like the slogan here. It's called like, yes, I'm having me time. I feel like it smells super fresh. And this is the neck massager I got from like the conferences I went the other day. I only got for $35 actually. And I think it will be perfect for like travel as well. And it's a pink and like brown color. And you can just like put it here. And then you can like massage. You can like press the button to massage. Ubra is actually one of my go-to brands for bras, for underwears, for girls or guys. So definitely check it out. It's like Chinese brands, but it's really soft and really good. This is what I got for bakery, and then look at the color, pink and white color here. Oh, this is the jewelry I got the other day. It comes at the right time. So good, looks so cute, so elegant. And this is great organizer for packing. And then I just got like literally yesterday, and the shipping is only 1 day. And they gave me like so many different like bags for different things. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then it's literally only like $2. I got 7 different ones for packing. Wow. I want to live in China actually, because everything's like super cheap, and then you can get like so many cheaper stuff with good quality. Oh my god. No way. Guys, look at this scarf. This is really my color, white and blue. This is perfect for winter. Oh, it's so cozy. And guess how much is this scarf? I got $1.5 for the scarf. I think this actually worth like $100 to me if it's actually branded. And the materials is very, very soft, very nice. Oh, I think this is my snack. So I always get like a lot of snacks when I go back to San Francisco. And this is like some dry beef. Okay, I think it's my bag. Purposely got this one because I like this design a lot. It's like croissant, and then they have like James color and also like cherry red. And I purposely picked this one because I feel like it will be perfect for holiday season. Wow. Okay, I gotta figure out tomorrow because I feel like it's too late today. This is really heavy. Oh my god. Guys, I'm dying. This is too much. I never done any unboxing. I feel like I'm not sure I'm gonna do another one, but I will try my best. Oh, I'm sweaty. Let's see the first one. How cute it is. And then I think it's only like $20. Obsessed with hoodies, sweatshirts, sweatpants. I feel like especially for winter, I wear them a lot. I think just like super cozy. And look at the materials. It's like super soft and also very, very warm. This is another pants I got. The great one. So I feel like black, white, and gray, like they're like the colors you never go wrong. And I also get a leather jacket. It's only $45 after discount. I feel like it's definitely worth it. When I touch this leather, it's really soft. I think they definitely have great quality. Super soft. I like it. My all-time favorite face mask. I got a lot of cute accessories from Sierra Active. Cute hair clips. Like you can just simply put your hair like this. This is the little bow and cherry red. I feel like this will really match in my outfit. I can easily just put like this. I think this one really giving me that girl energy, that girl vibe. I also got this pink one. Look at this. I think this is the perfect size for travel. You can just like brush your hair easily. I got 3 different colors. This is the first color I got. It's a pink color. And I got another lavender color kind of. I think it's actually a mix of pink and lavender color. Purplish and pink. And the third color I got is the white color. It's more classic. Isn't that cute? Oh, I feel like a few different brushes. Which color is your favorite? Let me know. Are you ready? I'm very excited for the speaker. I want this speaker for so long, and then finally I think I'm gonna get myself a little gift for working too hard these days. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Room's overall is very creamy, and I do like the creamy color more than black ones. I feel like it's more girly, and I can't wait to try this out. So thirsty. Let's drink some water. By the way, this is the cup from Sierra Active, my own brand. There's a heart shape here. This is like super girly, and I always carry this to my yoga class, my Pilates class, also my boxing class. So highly recommend this item. The last part is Ziqi, like her food brand. So if anyone who don't know about Ziqi, she's a very famous YouTuber. I think she filmed like a lot of content introduced on Chinese culture, like a lot of stuff. And I really like Ziqi, and I got a lot of snacks from her recently. And let's unbox this. So this is the chili sauce I got. I'm so excited to try more. And then this is actually from Guizhou. So they have some instant noodles, and then I got 3 packs. I'll try and let you guys know how it tastes and how I like about it. It's called ofe in Chinese. I don't think there's a direct English translation, like a lactose dessert. It's some dessert. It's like taro flavor, some rice cake. The last part is called 螺蛳粉. I think the smell's supposed to be like bad, but it tastes really good. I never really tried that. I know it's like super popular dishes in China. I feel like I should be more open-minded to some good food. I'll let you guys know how it tastes. Yeah, that's empty. We're done.